Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to move audio clips and soundtracks in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see your audio project, you're ready to start moving your clips around. This is a fundamental skill in audio editing that lets you rearrange your timeline and organize your project exactly how you want it. Now, here's the basic method for moving a single audio clip. Move your mouse over the clip you want to reposition. As you hover over it, you'll notice the cursor changes to a hand grab icon. This indicates that the clip is ready to be moved. This visual cue is important because it tells you you're in the right spot to grab the audio. Once you see this hand grab cursor, click and hold your mouse button, then drag the clip left or right along the timeline. You can move it to any position you need, whether you're adjusting timing, creating space between clips, or reorganizing your entire audio sequence. When you've positioned the clip exactly where you want it, simply release the mouse button. The clip will drop into place at that location and you're done. This drag and drop method is perfect for quick adjustments and fine-tuning your audio arrangement. Alternatively, if you're working with multiple audio tracks and you want to move audio from one track to another track, there's a different approach that gives you more control. First, select the clip you want to move by clicking on it. You'll see it become highlighted, indicating it's been selected and is ready for the next action. After selecting your clip, navigate to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Edit. This will open a drop-down menu with various editing options. From this menu, select Cut. This removes the clip from its current location and stores it temporarily in your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Next, click on your preferred destination track where you want the audio to appear. Make sure you're clicking at the exact position in the timeline where you want the clip to start, then press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This pastes the clip into the new track at your selected position. This method is especially useful when you're reorganizing complex projects with multiple layers of audio, as it gives you precise control over where each element lands. And that's it. You now know two different methods for moving audio clips in Audacity, whether you're simply repositioning them on the same track or transferring them between different tracks. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.